What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with the video. We are here at the warehouse, as you can tell. And if you watch my channel, you know we spent $105,000 on 5 storage units recently. And today, let's do a little unboxing of it. 'Cause I didn't show too much when we moved it. There was a lot of work done in those 2 days. But now we're back at the warehouse and let's do a little unboxing for you guys. We already sold all the jewelry, guys. I'm pretty sure the Pirate's a little bit happy with all the jewelry.
Before fees, I think that one sale was 25 grand for purses and jewelry, and I think before that we had did a quick little $8,000 out of that unit, so we were around like 32,000 now total.
In just jewelry, guys. After the expenses of the gas, he had to drive back, of course, from picking up the unit. He spent about 45 grand in total, so that 43,000. So that 32,000 is very helpful. Look at all that. We had to move that all up there because you guys know how we do it. We do a lot of moving and stuff around here. They literally use water bottles inside of their packages sometimes. They literally just do the water bottles in there. Whew, okay, that's a very nice like Sunday cup, especially if there's like a set of these.
Comment below to Michael if you enjoy glassware.
There's at least 6 cups in here.
Look at the frosted glass.
Let me know, guys, if you guys want to see more glassware, because me personally want to see like kitchenware, clothes, and glassware. I try not to show like a whole bunch of it, but if you guys want me to, let me know in the comments.
There could be over $100 set right here.
Really?
Yeah.
Jeez, I wouldn't have expected that. We got a Duracell solar LED pathway lights. That's a quick like $30, $40 sale. Whew. What is that? That Pyrex?
Ooh.
Is that Pyrex?
I don't know what that is. Do you?
Should be a name, right? Or is they all just unbranded?
Are they just like maybe they look vintage, so I definitely rock those and sell them, you know what I mean?
Royal Lawn Ink.
Okay. Like pattern on the side of it?
For like 80 bucks. No, it's actually kind of rough on.
That's rough really too. Old though.
I think we can get what? Get like 50 bucks?
At least 20.
At least 20. I don't know, Pyrex guys. 50 bucks for that might be too much. All right, what's in here? It says Ceramica. I don't even know. I don't know what that says. I can't even try it. Ooh, okay, it's pretty nicely packaged in there. What is it though? Ooh, okay.
Oh wow, that's a very spicy bowl right there.
It's a nice like, I don't even know what type of bowl it is. It's a nice little platter. I don't know. Some Uggs, 2 pairs of Uggs. They're probably pretty new still, even though the box is a little beat up. Ooh, look at that.
Nice. That's exciting.
Woo. Those are weird looking to me, at least.
Weird looking, but so what?
The color's nice though. It's like a bright pink, but why is it like so thick? It's like 2 inches. Nice still. Some brand new Uggs. What's this one? It's probably the same thing, right? Yeah, that's what they did. They're just the same pair, just in different colors. Black and pink. Some Mackenzie Childs. What is Mackenzie doing to the
I don't know. That name makes...
Whoa, okay, that looks pretty nice. Is that like an ornament? It's a nice Christmas ornament. That actually might be the little stand right here for it too, actually. I'm not sure if that's a Christmas ornament. Yeah, that's the stand for it. I think they're all this color too. I'm not sure they're all the same color, but they're probably all like shaped like this at least. That'd be cool if it was a full pink set though. Dang, what the heck? Look at that.
That's probably the whole set of that, Michael.
It's probably like 6 of these pink little Sunday cups in here. They're unbranded, but they look nice and pretty quality. So I have my own whatnot I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try and go once a month, and I should have one coming up. I'll have a link in the description, but my name is just Stixx Picks. If you already have whatnot, it'd be cool to check me out. I do dollar starts on everything. Oh, this thing's broken. Look at that.
It's broken?
Look at that. Yeah. It's broken. Let's throw it. Some more cups. This lady had all the cups. It looks like that one's the same height, so they're probably all cups just like this. You can tell like the glass is pretty quality when it's not like see-through. I feel like. What type of glass is this where it's like you can't see through it like this? All right, boxes like this on Temptations are cool because sometimes they have like this. They'll just show you what's in here, so you have to go through the whole hassle of taking it out and stuff. An Old World, a beehive canister. So it's like a little like 4-piece set, I guess. You just like stack on top of each other. It's pretty cool. My dad loves Temptations.
I wake up in the morning thinking to myself, can I sell some Temptations today? Please.
We're just messing around, guys, if you couldn't tell. He finds so much. I don't know why this lady bought like every piece Temptations ever made.
I don't like any words that start with T now.
Ooh. Okay. Look at that. We got the multicolored cups. Nice little set. I knew it. I could just tell it was Waterford. I just knew it. Are these little like Christmas ornaments? I think these might be Christmas ornaments, y'all.
Oh, come on.
Whew. Okay. They're like little butterflies. Look at that. They're in Christmas ornaments, but look, you like put them on a tabletop of some sort, and it's little butterflies. I'm assuming they're all 3 butterflies. Waterford's an expensive brand, if you guys didn't know. Ooh, okay, we got a little crepe erase true firm complex set. I don't even know. Some anti-aging skincare for the body. That looks nice though. Definitely looks pricey. I feel like it's gonna cost money if you want to buy it in the store, but we start these things for $1, so hopefully we get something for it. You guys let me know if that's a nice brand, or at least a nice set. Is that a candle? Yep, candelabra. You know, it's like a little seahorse candle holder though. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Little seahorses to hold up the candle. We love these orange boxes.
Ooh.
Orange box.
Michael, this is like $80 right here.
Open it.
Oh yes.
Ooh.
Oh yes.
Oh no.
Red.
Yellow.
No, it's red.
Oh.
Le Creuset.
Look at that.
Le Creuset.
You guys like this type of stuff, y'all?
Le Creuset. Now this is here.
It's the same thing.
Creuset.
No, it's not. It's not the same piece, y'all. Oh, whoa, it is. What? But it's got like this type of top instead. That's pretty dope. With stuff like this, you gotta make sure it works, right? You know, you just spray real quick. Now it smells too much, but at least it smells good. We just gotta make sure it works, because we're not sure when these things are fully bought and stuff. Some of the things we've had, you know, people tell us doesn't work, but that definitely has to work, right? That smells pretty good. Okay, another set of like makeup. This isn't makeup, it's like healthcare, I guess is the best way to put it, because this is anti-aging stuff. She loved her anti-aging stuff. She always bought it. We got Peter Thomas Roth Firm Growth Factor Extreme Neuropeptide Serum. All right, that's a lot of stuff. Oh my, there's a lot of stuff happening. Hopefully this actually works, because I'm guessing she paid a good amount of money for this. She pays up for a lot of this stuff, like, because a lot of them have invoices. I'm just reading the prices she spent. I'm like, whoa, no way. This box actually is like different things. Usually when you open a box, it's all just one thing. So this time we got a little philosophy, a little bit of shoes. Okay.
There's some good stuff.
It's nice. Allegras. The Allegra sandals. Some more philosophy. This lady loved her philosophy. Iced lemonade shampoo. That's good money. These are always good money, y'all. Some Ricas. Then we got Lemoncello Italian soda. All right. 2 more shampoos of that. And there's a pair of Ricas. A pink Pyrex set. Let's just pull out like the biggest bowl. Woo. Look at that though. That's pretty flawless looking to me. Pink Pyrex, guys. Some pink Pyrex. It's a set of 4 in here too, y'all. There's a set of 4. That's good money. The last one was just 1. That's 4. That one should be, I don't know, at least 150, right? When I was looking on eBay, that should definitely be 150 bucks or something like that. Hey, wow, it actually says there's Legos in here, and there is. Wow, I didn't know she bought Legos.
What?
I never see Legos in here.
Damn.
That's actually cool. I never seen her buy Legos. She bought it all, chat. She bought it all. Literally, I didn't know QVC even sold Legos like that. She bought those 2 years ago. That's probably an expensive set. Just not like super expensive, but I know nothing's really cheap in Legos brand new like that. There's something gingerbread in here.
Valerie Pond gingerbread. Look at this.
Gingerbread on sled. Gingerbread sled. I think that's literally what it said actually. Gingerbread sled. I just didn't read it right. That's funny. It looks pretty Valerie Parhilly. This lady bought everything that she could in lock and lock. Look at that. She bought every lock and lock piece known to man. Literally, yeah. We've shown so many different lock and lock pieces. I'm surprised we still have more to show. But this one's a jade green one, and it's like a big old, like, I don't even know, like a platter Tupperware. You can fit a lot in there. Oh, it's like a cake Tupperware. That's what it is, actually, or something like that. I'm assuming it's for like cake or something. David's cookie jars. She had a bunch of these as well. Ooh, okay. A nice Christmas looking cookie jar. Look at that. Put that like there. Most of these really aren't even ever used as cookie jars, I bet. I bet these are mostly just used as decorations at this point. They're homework by, I don't even know, chat. It's for an 18-ounce candle. This is for an 18-ounce candle, but that's a very nice looking stand. Look at that. You get a fat looking candle on there.
Oh, fat looking candle.
And look at that. I have some of my stuff I've built up actually coming up for my Whatnot show. Link will most likely be in the description. I have things like Game Boys, like Game Boy Color with Donkey Kong Country. I'll start with that for $1. Sealed games, PS5 games, even up to like PS3, Xbox 360, regular Xboxes, all sealed. Look at those. I was shocked to find those. And we got just PlayStation 1, 2, 3. There's some PS4, Xbox One, and Xbox 360 games. Some DS games. All those Guitar Heroes that I finally got, some in the box, some out of the box. A bunch of consoles. If you're looking for a console, I most likely have it. PS4 Pro. They got this in-box Xbox controller. I have like 100 lots probably of gaming things, give or take, on my Whatnot. Check it out if you'd like to. I'd appreciate it. Mackenzie Childs in the box. In the box, Mackenzie Childs.
Oh man, bro, that's freaking nice, Michael.
It just passed Halloween, but someone's still gonna want for next Halloween.
I bet you we get close to $100 on that.
Mackenzie's Child little. I guess this could be used as a candy dish, but you're not fitting too much candy in there. Like if you serve candy for Halloween, that's not fitting too much. You usually use big bowls and stuff. That's cool for like maybe in your kitchen or just some display in your house maybe. All right, guys, that is part 1 of unboxing. If you guys want another one, let me know in the comments down below. Also, it's like a new camera I've been recording on. I haven't actually announced it in the past few videos, but this is a new camera. Tell me if you guys actually see a difference in like the quality. I just want to know on your guys' end. I like it. I think it looks better, but let me know on your guys' end that's watched for a little while if this actually looks better. But with that being said, it's the end of the video. We're done. We're out of here. If you've watched this far, you've watched the whole thing. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. I say that every time, but I really do mean it, you know? Put a heart in the comments down below and peace out.